Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is sanctification. So, sanctification is the lifelong work of God and us that help us turn away from sin and becomes more like Jesus in the way we live. It is different from justifications where God declares us righteous, but the two are closely connected. True salvation always leads to changed life. This lifelong process will be complete only when we are glorified. So, ayon po sa 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 18, sinasabi po ito na, "And we all who with unveiled faces contemplate the Lord's glory are being transformed into His image with ever-increasing glory, which comes from the Lord who is the Spirit." So, dumako naman tayo sa ating katuruan. Sinasabi po ito na justification, we are declared righteous. So, ibig sabihin, nung tinanggap natin si Jesus, God already sees us as righteous dahil sa ginawa niya sa cross, hindi dahil sa sariling gawa natin. Para bang acquitted ka na sa court, wala ka ng kaso kasi binayaran ka na ni Christ. Next is sanctifications. We are being made righteous. So, ito naman yung process na unti-unti tayong binabago ng Diyos araw-araw. Dahil hindi instant pero progressive. Parang training, may growth, may struggles, pero step by step, God is shaping us into Christ-likeness. And next is glorifications. We are perfect like Christ. So, ito yung future hope natin. Pagbalik ni Jesus, wala nang kasalanan, wala nang kahinaan at magiging perfect na tayo like Him. Complete transformations, fully glorified with Him. And then, sa applications, filter what and who influenced you. So, pili ng mga taong media at environment na nagpupush sa'yo closer to God. Kung toxic or worldly, learn to say no. And next is filter what comes into your heart and mind. So, garbage in, garbage out. So, kung puro negative, lust, or lies ang pinapasok natin sa puso at isip, yun din ang magre-reflect sa buhay. Kaya dapat puno ng Word of God, truth at encouragement. And lastly, filter what comes out of your mouth. So, ang salita natin ay may power. Kaya bago magsalita, tanungin, will this bless or hurt? Will this build up or tear down? So, ang di ay reflections ng puso, kaya ingatan natin. And ay lang po, maraming salamat.